So I'm going to browse the database to look for a historical article. I'm going to go to all subjects, click on history, and I want to go to African American Study Center. It's from the Oxford African American Study Center. They have more than 10,000 articles by top scholars in the field of African American studies and African and diaspora studies. So here's a little welcome page. It gives you information about all the articles and pictures that go along with it. On the right side, they have pictures of a lot of African Americans throughout history, like starting from way back when, even to this present day. Like there's a picture of Barack Obama, Martin Luther King. I believe that's Jay-Z, Queen Latifah. So I want to look for Malcolm X, so I'm going to search him right here. Go over advanced search. Type his name in here, press enter. So there's 473 results. I can either go to articles, primary source, biographical articles, or subject reference. It doesn't really matter to me at this point. I'm just going to click on this one since it's not the first one. It's called Malcolm X by Abdul Karim Bangura. It was published on April 27th of 2010 and then finally put online the 30th of September of 2012. So it tells you that this is a bibliography, right? It's found in the Oxford Encyclopedia of African Thought. So it starts off giving a description of when and where he was born. So he was born and raised in Omaha, Nebraska. He was the seventh child, and apparently being the seventh child means the seventh child that's a male, you're destined to do the right things. So it gives a little information about his parents, their background, where they're from. And then it talks about how his home was attacked by the Ku Klux Klan. After his birth, they just kept coming back and back. And then they set his house on fire. And then that killed, I believe his father, Earl. Yep. And it just goes on giving a brief history about his life. There's not too much information, and then a bibliography there is a bibliography at the bottom, and then it tells where they got all the sources from. That's all I got. Thank you.